The 2026 Audi RS6 presents an innovative concept that reflects the automotive industry's transition to electrification. Audi designed the car with a combination of plug-in hybrid PHEV technology that combines an internal combustion engine with an electric motor. The iconic 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 remains at the heart of its performance, but is now complemented by a more advanced hybrid system, enabling increased fuel efficiency and lower emissions without sacrificing high performance. This system also offers a more flexible driving experience, with the ability to drive in all-electric mode for a limited range. The platform used in the 2026 Audi RS6 has also undergone significant updates. Audi introduces Premium Platform Electric (PPE) technology, which is specifically designed for hybrid and electric vehicles. This platform provides a more optimal weight distribution, improving stability and driving dynamics. In addition, the integration of advanced technologies such as adaptive suspension, an updated Quattro all-wheel drive system, and active aerodynamics ensure that performance remains at the highest level, both on the road and on the track. The exterior and interior design of the 2026 RS6 emphasizes a futuristic aesthetic that is in line with Audi's philosophy of modernity and efficiency. The exterior retains its aggressive character with a large single-frame grille and aerodynamic elements designed to increase efficiency. Meanwhile, the interior cabin offers premium comfort with high-quality materials, a large digital infotainment display, and advanced driver assistance technologies. Audi also enhances vehicle connectivity with AI-based features in full integration with smart devices. The 2026 Audi RS6 is not only a symbol of technological innovation, but also reflects the brand's commitment to sustainability. This vehicle is part of Audi's strategy to significantly reduce carbon emissions before finally switching to fully electric vehicles by 2033. With superior performance, cutting-edge technology, and a focus on sustainability, the 2026 Audi RS6 confirms its position as one of the most innovative luxury sports cars on the global market.